I just finished recording the last video, so I've talked a good bit. I felt like I yapped a little too much in that video, so I'm probably gonna be more quiet in this one. It might end up being like one of those videos where you see more of like the turns and hear the bike and stuff versus me talking. Most of the commentary will probably be like reactionary, so just whatever happens in the moment. Which I guess that's what it usually is. I just feel like I talked a lot last time. Oh man, these brakes suck. I'm surprised that this guy's going a decent speed because usually trikes are super slow. Like you have sport bike speed, then you have Harley speed way down here, and then behind them is trikes. Like usually these guys are even slower. This guy's actually almost tailgating that car. He keeps looking at me in his mirror. That's probably one thing I will never ride. Like I've ridden naked bikes. I obviously ride a bunch of different sport bikes. I rode the 650, which is like more touring style. The MT-03, the Ninja 400. Like I'll ride a whole bunch of bikes, but I don't think I even rode a Harley. I forgot that, but yeah, I did 2 videos on a Harley. But I don't think I will ever get on a trike. Maybe with the ones with the wheels up front that are more like aggressive looking and like sportier, I'd probably ride one of those just out of curiosity. But wheels in the back, nah. None of these turns are going to be really fun now because of the Corolla in front of me. I'm going to test my brakes out right now while there's nobody behind me. That was the whole way down. Not horrible, I guess, but if you think about the amount of times you have to like really quickly stop, that's not very comforting. I say as I fly around the blind turn. Do as I say, not as I do. And I'm back to the roads I know now. That was really fun. I really like that road. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see this road a lot more often. I definitely enjoyed riding on it. It's a change of scenery. It's kind of back roads, more windy and stuff versus 2-lane highway and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see more, let me know. I'm definitely not opposed. Alright, I'm a little nervous to do this again because of the little chain thing. But I am curious, did all the work I did to this bike make it perform any better? So let's find out. To be honest, I wasn't really looking at the speedometer because I was more worried about 1, not hitting this, and 2, kind of looking out for cops, which I mean, at that point it wouldn't matter. If there was a cop, I wasn't slowing down in time. So I guess that didn't make sense to me, but it feels like it was more responsive, for sure. It definitely felt better. It also feels really slow now. This is the DX10, which in a way I kind of hate. I hate that this bike feels slow to me now, because I love this bike. But if that's the reason it feels slow, because I own a ZX10, that's fine. If I would have just rode somebody else's, and now I'm like, oh man, I need one, that would really suck. But since it's my bike, and I do own it, like, it's not that bad. I'll wave to him. Now I'll get one back. Maybe someday I'll go straight up here at this light, just because I've never gone that way, so I have no idea what's up there. If I were to continue, I've always taken this turn, so I might go there one day just to explore. If you guys like the exploring new roads videos, I will gladly do them. If not, then I can just kind of check them out on my free time and kind of like gauge whether it would be fun to ride on or not, and if so, then take it on a video. But let me know in the comments, because I've done a couple videos back where I used to live, where I went to check out roads I've never been on. I always really enjoy them. Like, I like discovering them with you guys. But let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up. I don't know if he gave me a thumbs up just to like tell me I could go before him, or if he gave me a thumbs up because he liked the bike. I don't know. If it was because you like the bike, then thank you, sir, wherever you are. It'll be nice once they get this road finished and it's not just this stuff. Oh, also, one last thing I just thought of. So now that I have this new camera that I'm using, right? Oh, so it is the Action 4. Okay. So I did get that right last time. What I was thinking is I can mount the Hero 10 right here and have another video like that where you get the two angles, like my point of view and one facing me, so you see like me sitting on the bike, I guess. I hate saying that because I feel like I'm like, oh, look at me, but like have the Hero 10 pointed at me and then do another video where you get like the two angles. Let's think about that. So if you guys liked the, I think it's called One Motovlog 2 Cameras, something like that. If you like that video, let me know. I'll definitely make another one, but this one would be much higher quality. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you know what to do. Also, please feel free to leave a like while you're down there. I hate asking for that, but do what you gotta do, I guess. Also, thinking about doing a running from the cops video on the ZX. That was a joke. Also, you like the new gloves? Sorry, I said I wasn't gonna yap this video. Now my ADHD's kicking in, but yeah, these are new. I wore them on the ZX10. I don't know if anyone really noticed. Ooh, it's like a gray C8, like a darker gray C8 in their driveway. It's pretty nice. The only opportunity I've had to race a C8 on this bike, I was in the middle of making a video and I was on the highway, so it was perfect conditions, but my parents happened to be following me back to my apartment at the time, so didn't really want to do that right in front of them. So I had the perfect conditions besides that part. I didn't get to do it, unfortunately. As much as I'm having fun and enjoying tonight, like it's a beautiful night, the weather's perfect, I'm having fun on the bike. I've got some chores to do at home, and I'm also quickly running out of room on the SD card along with my phone. So I'm gonna have to head home for the night, unfortunately. I really don't want to. I'd like to go make another video and just keep riding, hanging out with you guys. But oh, there's another, that's a C8 too, right? Is that a C8? I think so. White one. Yeah, as I was saying, as much as I'd like to keep kind of hanging out with you guys, I've got some things to take care of and limited space, so I'm gonna head home, wrap this one up at some point, and hopefully get to go again this week, but that all depends on the weather. I just want to address something that I just thought about, and I also feel like this would be a perfect example of a video to do it in. People DM me. I answered them for a while, but then it got to the point where it was too many. I have a very low social battery, very, very low. It drains pretty quickly, and I get overwhelmed by the amount of messages. So like I kind of quit answering new ones. So if you've DM'd me and I don't answer, I apologize, but that's kind of why. But the people that do DM me and I talk to, they like to complain a lot about how quiet I am. Like I give short responses. I typically don't reach out first. And when I do have conversations, I'm very dry. Like I don't really say much. And they'll a lot of people take it personally. And I'm like, no, it's literally not you. I'm just a very quiet person. Like I don't talk much. And their response is always, you're not quiet in your videos. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to post a 30-minute video that has 12 minutes of me not talking in it, where it's literally just awkward silence? Like, yeah, of course I'm not quiet in my videos because I cut all that out. That's the whole point of editing the video, is to cut out all the points where I'm not saying anything. There's times where I'll cut out 5 or 6 minutes at once because I just didn't say anything. Like trust me, I am a very quiet person. In my videos I'm not, because I cut it all out. And the whole point of a moto vlog is to talk with you guys about what's happening around me or what's happening in life, just stuff like that. The whole point of a moto vlog is for me to talk. So I specifically go out of my way to do that for the videos. It's not personal. I'm not just being short and quiet with you. It's with everybody. So this applies to everybody that said like, oh, you're really quiet. Yes, I am. And it's not a personal thing. That's just who I am. With that being said, I think I'm all talked out for the night. And I'll be home relatively soon. So I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, that charger looks really good. Nice Mustang. I'll race you. Let's go. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you liked the new road I took. I sure did. Hopefully I can record some more either tomorrow or the next day, but sometime this week I'd very much like to. But there should be 2 videos a week now, hopefully. I'm going to try to make that a goal and get back to that kind of schedule. Still going to try to do like a short every day if I can, and then try to do 2 full-length videos a week now that I have a little bit more time on my hands. So hopefully I can get that done for you guys. I will try my best. But like I said, thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you're new and want to subscribe, please feel free to. It's much appreciated. Definitely doesn't go unnoticed. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll see you later.